if that restriction is not fulfilled, it's going beyond of that restriction, then dump will come. Okay.
So that dump, whether it is like affecting on any server, like when once it created, I'm not saying
Uh,
like it's still running, already dump generated. So
okay.
the generated dump, will it cause any problem for the server?
No, no, no. The problem, they will not cause any problem. See, there is always a concern from the basis people why the dumps comes. Okay, not for the system wise, they will always analyze how much dump is coming. They will check every day. The big companies, they will check how many dumps is coming. But that dumps also takes some memory. Okay, it will not store for 1 day or 2 day. It will store for 1 year, 2 year. Uh, okay, like that. Max they are using, they store it in for 1 year, but some company stores it. Okay. To reduce those things also, they will reduce the dump, and they want to analyze it why the dump is coming. Okay,
Okay, yeah.
so for
Thank you.
that, hmm, anything else? Are you able to understand the concept or not? You just tell me, because all are almost all are new to this environment. Are you able to understand it? What is the problem you are facing in the ABAP after this 2 days or 3 days something? No problems, Resma?
Yeah, sir.
Huh.
Good morning, sir. Uh,
Good morning.
it's
Tell me.
it's a new thing, so I'm just trying to learn it. I can understand your teaching, sir, but I'm trying to learn it more.
No,
So it's
okay, but you have any confusion? But I'm not asking you your doubts. Confusion. Why table? Why work area? What is the
yeah,
concept of SC11?
that's little bit it's having, sir.
What is the problem you are facing? What is the question you have in mind?
Sir, has I have done before like language like Java used. It's completely
Hmm.
different from that, sir. So little bit confusion, little bit. I'm getting table that's how to do that, how to do the program. That's problem I'm getting. That's all, sir.
Hey, yeah, you are so ahead from my teaching. So take some patience, and I will explain those things. Why the table in how you are doing in Java, how you creating the table in Java. You know that? Can you explain?
Means in Java, sir, we are using a database like SQL, like
Hmm.
that type.
How you
In
are
that,
creating? You are writing the code, right?
yeah, code we are writing like create table, then table name,
Hmm.
like that we are writing the code and we are creating
Ah,
it.
okay. But here we are not writing, right?
Yeah, sir, that's only the confuse how it will be
You,
created.
you should ask, na. You should ask this question. Why you are keeping in your mind and not asking? That's the genuine question, right? See, how I told you yesterday, right? If you are having some problem in understanding or in your practice, try to overcome those things. Okay. So ask this question in this session, and I can explain those things. Okay. Okay. Anyway, any other questions you have?
No, sir.
Okay. See, you can compare the T code as a shortcut with the Windows. Okay. There is no shortcut like, I think there is no shortcut in Java. Is there any shortcut?
No, sir. No, like that.
Okay. But Java you can use that copy paste, right? cut paste, copy paste. You can use it,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, we can do it.
Uh, yes, that means Java is also supporting copy paste thing, cut paste thing, right? But here also same concept is available. Copy paste you can do it, but going to a particular window, what do you have to do in the Java? What you have to do it? You have to click two, three windows. After that, you have to go to that window and you have to find it where it is, right?
Yeah,
Suppose in debugging window, suppose someone has closed it, you have to go somewhere and double click it, it will appear, right?
yeah,
But in
yes,
the in our case, what we'll do is you give a shortcut in this command in this box. Okay, so it will directly jump to that. No need to go step by step. Okay, so like that you can compare it. For jumping to see why again disconnected. Why it is slow. See, Omar, why this is processing is maybe they have less memory RAM size. Okay, maybe some other user are using or the RAM size will be less. If the RAM size will be used, then automatically it will come fast. Okay, so this is the problem. RAM size. If RAM is not sufficient, this problem will come. Same for the ABAP program also.
Okay, okay. That was the when I was working on a project. The project director was saying the same thing. Like, what if someone pull the entire data? So that will cause the problem. So that's
It's
why.
yes. Suppose I need 100 data. I will fetch 1 lakh data. It will store in the RAM only. And RAM also has some limitations. 10 GB RAM or 50 GB RAM. 15 GB RAM, 20% the program is taking out. Then rest of the memory, other people will take it out. Then
It will
automatically
create
it will.
problem for the business users, right?
Yes, correct, correct.
Right.
Okay. See, why we are using T code is, see, one T code I'm using, that is SPRO. Remember this SPRO. Okay, mostly functional people are use this. Technical people mostly don't use this one. See, all the T codes are present in this one. Okay, all T codes. You have to go this one, this one, this one, this one. After this is actually you can find out. This is actually you want to process it. Okay, if you click this thing, something will happen. Okay, for financial account. See, SD. I told right. Sales related activity you can do it in a ERP. Okay. So for the sales, some T code is also there. Some they have their own shortcuts. Okay. So in that case, suppose they want to use one shortcut. What they want to give is here in the box. They will give the shortcut, or else they don't want to use that shortcut. How to do that? They will go to the SPRO, they will search it here, these many things. After that, what are the cells here, drag down, okay, sales document or sales return, okay. So here they have to process it. document types, key, all the things. Okay, so if I am using it, it is processing it. See in the left bottom corner. Okay, it's processing. Okay, so instead of going this much steps, I can give a shortcut. Okay, suppose I want to find out the shortcut or something like that. Okay, I'll see what is the program. Okay, yeah, another one is here. SPNO. We can't find out. Here we can find out. Somewhere some configuration is there. Mm, I forgot that settings. Here you that shortcut you can see it inside this SPRO. It will go down, 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 down. After that, here you can find out a shortcut, or else this image you can click it. Okay. After that, this screen will come. Doing this
Hello.
many steps.
Sorry, Stefan. Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
Just there only. Just go to the last icon there. To the extreme right. No, above that. Yeah.
Mm. Options.
Interactions design. First folder, second visual design. Scene settings.
Settings, right? Activities, all are okay.
No, interaction. Next.
Inter-
Second one, yeah. There. Open the visual to visualization.
Visual.
Just
So system name. This one, right? This one, right?
first one visualization one. One second.
Sorry, what you are checking?
Okay.
Yeah.
T-code?
Now just go with slash and add.
Spells. Basic spells. Spells document. Spells. No, tomorrow I'll show you this one how it is working. Here you want shortcut you can find out. Okay, so instead
There
of doing
you
this
can,
many.
from additional information, you can use the go to the setting, then you will get the T codes. Additional information at the top. Yeah, here technical data.
Technical.
No, technical bottom, last one. No, just go to yeah, right. Yeah. Transport.
Language.
Here only somewhere.
In the additional information, display key options. Just check it. ING activity.
Attributes, I think.
No, ING activity. Second one.
See.
Now you got
Yes. Okay, I think it will be the VOV8. Right.
No. Somewhere in system or something, it is there that we can enable it. I already enabled for my system. Somewhere in additional information, it is somewhere it is there.
Okay, I'll check it. I will try this one whether it's working or not. VOV8.
the last four characters. That is a T code.
Yes. VOV8.
Okay, do one thing. Just go to the one time with the
See, okay, this is okay. Yeah, we can filter it still also, but the last four character, if I'm using VO V8, okay, same screen, VO V8 I have used it. Okay, so V8, this is the actual screen. Okay, if I'm using this one, if I'm executing this one, so same screen. Okay, so this instead of doing this many steps, I have to use a shortcut. Okay, what are the one they have to search it where it is, where it is, where it is. After that, they will come to here and they will use it. But instead of, if I remember VOV8, then I will directly go to this one. I'll use VOV8 and click, it will come to the screen. So giving that much of effort in this SPRO, drill down all the things. I'll remember this. It's very easy. That's the reason it's a T code or shortcut. Another one, why in the Java or any other languages, .NET and other languages, we have to write it to create a table. But SAP has not provided those feasibility to ABAPers. Okay, so they have some different concept behind the scenarios. But I can say here, if they will give all the access, let's create create a table or something like that. They, that means the database related uh, feasibility, they have to come to the ABAP server, because we are now in ABAP server, not in the database server. If you want to work in the database server, their environment will be different, their server will be different. Database server will be there, but if you want to work on the database side, not in the ABAP side, that means that will be the HANA concept. HANA server will come to picture. Okay, so in our concept in ABAP program, we are also working in the same database, but our server is the database, is the ABAP server. So ABAP server has something different configurations, different settings. So in that case, if we want to create it, then only the option we have is SC11 shortcut. This is the shortcut. If we want to create it, Z table table1, then you have to create it, give the description and all things. Yes, they are trying to give a UI to create a table. Okay, because if I create a table, na, structure will be created and some other objects also there behind the transparent table. Some other will automatically will be created. But in case of maybe in PHP or Java.NET structure, you have to differently you have to create it. Okay, so this is the difference. You have to, if you want to create a table, you have to go to the screen, then you have to create it, then you have to use it in our program or any other program also. Or command is not given by the SAP. Yes. Any other questions? No.
No.
Okay, then you get the access. Actually, I was trying to do some table and all things, some other concept, data element domain, but I can't do it because this will be having some problem if you don't have access. Okay, you can't understand it, you can't see it. Also, it's very difficult to practice it also. Okay, so get the access from the organization or from outside market and try it. Check it. Go to this SE11 table. I told 2, 3 table name, right? Go to those tables or Google it. What are the tables available in SAP? Okay. So try display it. Whether try to find out what are the what standard tables, what are the custom tables, what is the type of table, transparent table, full table, cursor table, hash table. Okay, do this. And why I'm asking is to have a good experience. Take this as your experience. Means if you practice for 2 hours, means 2 hours experience. If you have practice for 8 hours or 10 hours, means 1 day experience. Practice is must. There is no other option. Okay, then you have any doubt? You ask me from the beginning or from the end. Okay, you ask me, I will explain those things. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Good day.